Companies that care about equality, diversity and inclusion aren't just better places to work. They're more successful, they make better decisions and they're more innovative. I was really proud when the CEO of all 9 Catapults, the not-for-profit network of technology and innovation centres at 40 locations across the UK, together with the heads of all 7 of our centres and Innovate UK CEO Indro Mukherjee, joined me in February for a very special event, the signing of the Inclusivity in Innovation Charter. Together we pledge to embed equality, diversity and inclusion deep in our culture, to discover and unleash talent and potential wherever we find it, to create an environment where everyone, whatever their background or beliefs, culture or capabilities, can thrive. We have a remarkable pool of people from all walks of life in the Catapult Network, and it's that wonderful mix of diverse ideas and experiences, viewpoints and visions that stimulates great innovation.